How to check your Facebook's call log history. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then check your Facebook account's call log history. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. So if you want to check your call log history for the Facebook application, it's very simple, and to do this we will not use the Facebook app. Instead we will use the Facebook Messenger application. So what you want to do is make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Facebook Messenger app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Facebook Messenger, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Facebook Messenger app, now I want you to go over and simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now to find out whether or not you have called someone, you can just go to their profile or their chat head, and you can see some of the calls. But if you want to view the history for all of the calls you've ever made, it's very simple, because this is a new feature added by Facebook themselves. But keep also in mind that if you've just recently installed Messenger and you're trying to find your call log history, you'll not be able to do that. It is only going to store until and unless you do not uninstall the application or clear the data of the Messenger app. After that, it is going to be deleted. So how do we check it? Well, at the bottom you can see we have three profiles called chats, people, and calls. And in order to view our call log history, all you have to do is to just go to the option called calls over here. Once you go to the option called calls, right over here you can see the recent calls will basically appear over here. So as you can see, no calls in my case. But if I just go ahead and try to call someone just like that, and if I just end it just like that again, it is going to just show up in my main calls feed right over here in the recent tab. So as I said, if you have deleted the app data and reinstalled it again, you will not be able to find it. But if you try to call someone after that, and if you just go ahead and find it, you can see we do have our call log history over here. And this is how you can find you and check your Facebook's call log history. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.